May tanong ako sa'yo, have you ever been in a crossroad? Alam niyo yun, crossroad simply means may dalawa kang options, alright? So, perhaps you're holding to two job offers. Yung isa, safe and familiar. Yung isa naman, risky, pero mukhang maganda yung ending. Pero, alam mo yun, dahil bagong career move to, pero ayaw mo. Para mas gusto mo sa safe and familiar. Or maybe, sa relationship. You got too comfortable sa relationship niya kahit toxic kasi takot ka mag-isa kung hihiwalayan mo. The point is, if you have a habit that's, you've been hurting someone, kaya lang hindi mo ma-let go yung habit for whatever reason, ang hirap. Whatever decisions you're gonna take, meron kang i-risk. But sometimes, we want to take the safe side. Gusto mo yung mas safe, mas familiar, and every single person in this room right now, or maybe the person watching sa online natin, or the person who's gonna watch this later on, you might not call it that way na parang dilemma. You might call it, this is my situation right now. Or you might call it, this is just how things are. It's just complicated. But here's what I want you to know. Listen up. God didn't design us for comfort. He designed us for calling. Sometimes kasi we want to be comfortable and we miss out on the calling of God. Life is not about being comfortable. Akala kasi natin pag naging Kristiyano na tayo, everything will be okay. Tama? Wala nang gulo, wala nang bashers, wala nang pawis, wala nang hirap. You know what? I don't think so because Jesus said, in this world you'll have trouble. Life is not designed for us to be comfortable. In fact, may kwento na isang bata, ang pangalan niya si Junjun. Nakakita siya one time ng isang caterpillar who's in the process of metamorphosis. Ano spelling nun? Basta magbabago na lang. Nasa gitna siya ng isang metamorphosis wherein a caterpillar will be turned into a beautiful butterfly. Ang problema, midway pa lang yung proseso. Ito naman si Junjun, mabait. Okay? Sabi, hirap na hirap. Hindi pa fully develop yung half ng butterfly. Tinutulak niya yung slimy part ng kukun niya. Ang bait ni Junjun, ginunting. Tinulungan yung paru-paro para makalabas. Alam niyo nangyari? Naging abnormal yung paru-paro. Yung half niya hindi buo, edi namatay. Hindi siya nakalipad, hindi niya na-accomplish kasi si Junjun pinadali yung akala niya, yung buhay. But listen up, posible kaya hindi tayo makalipad-lipad sa buhay. Mahilig tayo sa shortcuts. We want to fast-track things. We want to bypass. We want to cut corners. We want quick fix. Dapat pipila ka, naghanap ka ng kakilala para hindi ka pumila. Parang you want to fast track, you want to make a quick fix sa mga bagay. Ayaw nating ma-discomfort. So here's my point. God didn't design us for comfort. He designed you for a calling.